In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cash App with Temu. So if you go to your card, then if we scroll down, you will see the save payment options. So it's actually possible to pay with Cash App. Now, how does this work? So for this, we will need a Cash App card. So let's say we've chosen some items and then we click on checkout. So from here we will have to fill in our name, all of this information, region, so on and so forth. And after you have filled in this information and you clicked on save, then you will get to the next page, which asks for your credit card details. So this is where your Cash App comes into play. So you write the information on your cash card. So after you write the information on your cash card, then you use it to pay as you would usually, because your cash card is actually a debit card. So you use it to pay that way. So that's how you can use Cash App with Temu. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.